Hey guys, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing and quick highlight of this TOGUARD 1080p full HD dash camera that I just got. So opening the box, super straightforward. Comes with a manual. Inside, the two boxes, which one would be your, let me show you, the tool, the prying tool for which you can install the wirings or the cables that comes with it. This one would be your suction cup holder for the windshield for your camera. And this one just a little USB type C, and then this one would be the mounting kits that you'll have. And then this one little box here which would be the most important thing, which would be your camera. So camera's right there, super straightforward. Camera. This one you can turn so that then this one would be your windshield camera facing towards the street. This one would be your cabin camera, which is super awesome. Menu, and then your screen. Okay, so this one here is a 1080p full HD. This one I think is a 720p, which good enough as well for just a cabin camera. So USB ports right there where you plug it in, and then your microphones right here, the mic port right here, and then your buttons for your menus. Again, super straightforward. And then many would ask, SD card slot right here. So the SD card, I would suggest using a 32 minimum. I would use a 128, which what I have. All right, quick rundown, highlights. Compact, easy to install. It's 1080p again. It's got infrared night vision, which is pretty cool. High dynamic range. It loop records with a G sensor. Has a parking monitor. The only thing would be it needs constant power for the USB port where you plug in with your cigarette light. Because the emergency backup power of this is only reserved, again, for emergency. Super easy to install. Very great price. Dash camera. I'd give it a go. Thank you.
So I installed this dash cam today. As you can see, I went underneath the mirror here, the rear view mirror, up, back, and over, around the power cable, down the side, and then down into the underneath the glove box. And up and into cigarette lighter underneath there. Two cameras, forward, one reverse. You will see the LCD, but it's not really in the way.
All right, so far I'm liking this camera a lot. It's mounted behind my rear view mirror in my truck, so it's out of your field of view while you're driving, but you can still see this small screen, and it's got a good size to see what's in front of you. Also has this
camera, you can rotate to the back here so you can see what's inside your passenger compartment and record it. Let's say you're driving for a ride share service, or you can rotate it out of the way and not record what's inside the vehicle, but still record what's in front of you. It has a really nice menu option where you can scroll through all the options the camera offers. There's a lot of settings, and so far, as I said, I'm really enjoying this camera. Thank you.